Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be talking about running your website on Squarespace and WordPress at the same time, so let's get right into it. Now, that is a bit of a tricky thing to do. First, you're going to need to connect or buy or purchase third-party hosting, since these two sites, WordPress and Squarespace, are direct competitors, so they won't allow you to run easily on both. You won't be able to connect your domains very easily, even though you can link between those two. But if you want to run both in parallel, it's much easier to just run a third-party hosting than to actually run both simultaneously and pay for subscriptions for both. But yeah, that is the first thing that I wanted to get out of the way. Now, you could hypothetically export your data from Squarespace and publish it on WordPress, and I'm pretty sure that you can't do it the other way around, since they're not very compatible, so WordPress won't allow you to run their site data on Squarespace because they're a competitor. I'm not sure for Squarespace, you might be able to. At the very least, you can export your products and services and then import them into your WordPress site if you plan on running a store on WordPress as well. There is this guide here that I found which lets you integrate Squarespace with WordPress, sort of. And as you can see, first step is to get a hosting. As I mentioned, they're going to need to transfer the domain into a new host on Squarespace, which you're going to need to unlock your domain for, and then go to menu settings, domains, and do everything there. Then you're going to need to create a subdomain so that people can access your site easier, and to actually have it connect to both. Then you're going to need to install WordPress on your PC, and then you're going to design your website on WordPress. And as you can see, you can then create a seamless connection between your domain and subdomain, because people shouldn't be able to see that you're running two sites. They should see just one site. And then you can export the Squarespace website to then import into WordPress. As I've mentioned, you're going to need to go into Squarespace, go into settings, advanced, import, export, choose to export to WordPress, then save the file on your drive, save the images manually, then go to the importer on WordPress, import the website, add the images manually, and check if everything is working fine. And that is pretty much the only way that you can do to actually integrate and use both at the same time, or in other words, how to use a Squarespace site on the WordPress platform. And that is basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.